Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the memory unit and output unit. Memory unit, main memory or primary memory used as a storage unit for a program as well as data. It is divided into two parts, RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM. The ROM, read-only memory, data are placed at the time of manufacturing and can't be changed, slower than RAM, used to check hardware components such as booting, loading OS, frequently needed functions. RAM, read and write memory, read and write from memory location, used to hold active information of data and instruction. It is a volatile memory, and ROM is a non-volatile memory. This is the difference between the read-only memory and random access memory. CAC memory. It is a small memory that operates much faster than RAM. When the CPU requires certain data present in RAM, it sends the request to the CAC because it stores recently used values. CAC memory can give the data faster than RAM to the CPU and reduces the time. It helps to improve the overall performance of the computer. It is called as CPU memory is a high-speed memory available inside the CPU. So what does this CAC memory does is the CAC memory always plays between the CPU and the main memory. It is quickly sending the data to the CPU instead of the main memory so that the reducing accessing time will be significantly. So we can improve the overall performance of the computer. So this is the working condition of the CAC memory. Secondary memory. So there are two type of memory is there. One is primary memory, another one is secondary memory. Stores large amount of data, easy to carry anywhere, huge amount of memory capacity. The secondary memory devices are hard disk, Blu-ray disk, compact disk, magnetic tapes, DVD, USB and memory cards. Let's see about the hard disk. Hard disk is a non-volatile memory, high capacity storage. It is made up of magnetic material and sealed inside a case. It does not get lost or damaged. It generally fixed inside the computer. The data stored in the tracks, sectors and cylinders. So there is the needle which can hold this magnetic material which help us to read all the data from the hard disk. And also when you see this hard disk, it is always placed in the cylindrical type, that once one at the top it will be placed. So it is help us to read the data with the help of this needle. So the compass will be there, so it is help us to read all the data. So here track is also there. It is divided into small segment that is called as sectors. So first one is the track, then sectors, then only the cylinder. So cylinder is a set of tracks which can be by all the heads. It will be like a separate platters will be there. So you can just correctly find the position will be help us to read the data. And each cylinder will be the exactly will be the equal distance will be there from the center of the disk. Blu-ray, CD and DVD. Blu-ray, CD, DVD. High capacity optical medium, thin optical disc, developed for recording, rewriting, playing HD videos. Developed for read or read-write. Recorded on single or double-sided as well. Blu-ray memory capacity is up to 50 GB. For CD 150 KB to 700 MB. Then DVD you can see the memory capacity 4.7 GB to 8.5 GB. So which is holding more memory capacity in the optical medium is the Blu-ray. Then DVD. Then only the CD. So which is always the software will be always stored in the Blu-ray disc. Some movies which kind of information where we can see watch movies, we can use it in CD as well as in DVD. Magnetic tape, pen drive and memory card. The magnetic tape stored as a thin tape used for archival purpose. Pen drive plug into the USB port, more reliable, capacity lesser than hard disk. Memory card used with digital cameras, mobile phones and computers. High record ability. So mostly nowadays we are using only the pen drive. That means universal synchronization bus. So it is also called as pen drive. We will have the port in our CPU where we can fix this USB and then we can start work on it. Units of memory. The least memory unit is 1 bit, that means binary digit. And the maximum memory capacity you can see geobyte is the highest memory. So this is the units of memory. 1 bit is binary digit. 8 bits which is 1 byte. 1024 bytes 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes is 1 petabyte. 1024 petabyte is 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte is 1 zettabyte. So at present we are using only 1 TB. 1 TB is the memory unit which we are using at present days. Output unit. There are 4 output devices which we see in this screen: monitor, speaker, printers and plotters. Monitor. It is also called as what? Visual display unit. Used for displaying the processed information. Display may be CRT, LCD and LED. So CRT is the cathode ray tube, LCD is the liquid crystal display, LED is the light emitting display. So which one is the better display? Always we have to go where the LED is the better display. Printer. Generally, we can create hard copies of text or images. It's classified into 2 types: impact and non-impact printers. Impact, mechanical contact between printer head and paper. Non-impact, no mechanical contact between printer head and paper. Various types of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Dot matrix printer, it prints one character at a time. Dots to create an image. Low operating cost and used to generate carbon copies. Inkjet printer, technique of spread quick dry ink on paper, form of cartridges of different colors used at home and offices. Laser printer, laser technology, fast and high quality in the print. Thank you, students.